Hey, science enthusiasts! Ready to blow your mind with some incredible science experiments you can try at home? Buckle up, because today I'm sharing 10 amazing science experiments that are both fun and educational. Let's dive in. First up is the classic volcano eruption. All you need is baking soda, vinegar, and some dish soap for extra bubbles. Mix them together in a DIY volcano structure and watch the eruption unfold. The baking soda reacts with the vinegar to produce carbon dioxide gas, creating the bubbling effect. This experiment demonstrates an acid-base reaction and is a great way to introduce kids to basic chemistry concepts. Next, let's make a rainbow in a glass. You'll need sugar, water, and food coloring. By carefully layering different concentrations of sugar water, you can create a stunning rainbow effect. The denser sugar water will stay at the bottom, while the less dense layers float on top. This experiment is perfect for understanding density and how different substances interact with each other. Ever heard of the dancing raisins? Fill a glass with carbonated water and drop in some raisins. Watch them dance up and down as the carbon dioxide bubbles attach and detach from the raisins. This is a fun way to learn about buoyancy and gas behavior. The raisins rise when the bubbles attach and fall when they pop, demonstrating the principles of density and buoyancy. Now, let's talk about the magic milk experiment. Pour some milk into a shallow dish, add a few drops of food coloring, and then a drop of dish soap. The colors will swirl and dance like magic. This happens because the soap reduces the surface tension of the milk, causing the colors to move. This experiment is a simple yet fascinating way to explore surface tension and the behavior of liquids. For our fifth experiment, try making a homemade lava lamp. Fill a bottle with water, vegetable oil, and a few drops of food coloring. Drop in an Alka-Seltzer tablet and watch the colorful blobs float up and down. The Alka-Seltzer reacts with the water to produce carbon dioxide gas, which carries the colored water blobs up through the oil. This experiment is a fantastic way to learn about liquid density and chemical reactions. Ready for some invisible ink? Use lemon juice to write a secret message on paper. Once it dries, hold it up to a heat source like a light bulb, and your message will magically appear. The heat causes the lemon juice to oxidize and turn brown, revealing your hidden message. This is a fun way to learn about oxidation reactions and the properties of acids. Next, let's create a balloon rocket. Attach a balloon to a straw threaded through a string, tape it, and let it go. The balloon's release of air propels it along the string, demonstrating Newton's third law of motion. This experiment is perfect for understanding the principles of action and reaction forces. Have you tried the classic egg drop challenge? Design a contraption to protect a raw egg from a high fall using household items. This experiment is fantastic for understanding gravity, force, and engineering principles. Test your design by dropping it from a height and see if your egg survives the fall. For our ninth experiment, make a crystal garden. Dissolve table salt in boiling water and pour it over a sponge or charcoal briquette. As the solution cools, watch beautiful crystals form over the next few days. This is a great way to learn about crystal growth and supersaturation. Finally, let's explore non-Newtonian fluids with oobleck. Mix cornstarch and water to create a substance that acts like a solid when struck, but flows like a liquid when gently moved. This is an excellent hands-on way to understand fluid dynamics. So there you have it, 10 mind-blowing science experiments you must try. Don't forget to always follow safety instructions and wear appropriate protective gear. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this video. Happy experimenting!